Hey everybody, in today's video I'm going to be unboxing my latest purchase from Amazon. Now I apologize in advance, there's not going to be a whole lot to show you here. This is basically a package of USB to 3.5 millimeter jack headphone adapters. You get two of them. The seller of these is BTUXI. As with all my purchases, I like doing these unboxings in case there's somebody else out there thinking about buying the item. They just want to get an idea of what does it look like when it comes in, its quality like, etc. So hopefully you're going to be able to see that okay. And let's go ahead and get them open. They have them sealed nicely. As always, I will link the item accordingly. If this is something you're interested in, you're going to get two of these. What this is going to allow you to do is use your old 3.5 millimeter headphones, which I've got right here, and connect them to your tablet or laptop, phone, whatever. Since so many devices don't have the 3.5 millimeter jack anymore, they use Type-C. You're going to simply plug your 3.5 millimeter cord into that, and then you're going to take your Type-C input, plug it into your tablet or your computer, and you are ready to roll, and you can use your old 3.5 millimeter headphones. Nice and simple. Again, not a whole lot to show you. Get two of them. As always, I hope the video helps. Thanks for watching.